I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Toyota Sequoia into four-wheel drive. First, understand that four-wheel drive is best for slippery conditions like snow, mud, or loose gravel, not dry pavement. Engaging it correctly protects your vehicle's drivetrain and ensures you get the most out of its capabilities. Always prioritize safety and consult your owner's manual for specific model details. Let's get started with the basics of engaging four-wheel drive. To engage 4H or 4H, ensure your Sequoia is either stopped or moving at a very slow speed, typically under 60 miles per hour. Locate the four-wheel drive selector knob or lever, usually found on your dashboard or center console. Turn or shift it to the 4H position. This setting is ideal for light off-roading, slippery roads, or when you need extra traction without extreme low-speed power. You should feel a slight engagement. For maximum traction in challenging situations, you'll want to engage 4Low or 4L. First, bring your Toyota Sequoia to a complete stop. Next, shift your transmission into neutral. With the vehicle stopped and in neutral, move the four-wheel drive selector to the 4L position. This provides significantly more torque at lower speeds, perfect for steep inclines, deep mud, or pulling heavy loads. Remember to only use 4L when absolutely necessary. When you're back on stable, paved surfaces, it's crucial to disengage four-wheel drive and return to two-wheel drive. Driving in four-wheel drive on dry pavement can cause unnecessary wear and tear on your drivetrain components. Simply reverse the steps you took to engage it, shifting back to two-wheel drive. This ensures optimal fuel efficiency and extends the life of your vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.